Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your device. Make a full backup now, because replacing system fonts can brick phones. Once done, enable USB debugging and allow app installs from your File Manager or ADB, depending on method. Make sure battery is above 50% and that you have TWRP or working ADB tools on your computer. This lets you restore if something goes wrong. You'll need the iOS emoji font file and a way to push it to /system or use a Magisk module. Now you replace the emoji file itself, transfer the iOS, TTF to your computer, or download it to the device. Once mounted, read-write, copy the font to /system/fonts, making sure to back up the original font and follow exact file names. Android matches by name. If you prefer safer systemless edits, create a Magisk module with the font placed in the same path. After copying, set file permissions to 644 and ownership to root. Root so Android can read the file. Finish by rebooting the device. Android loads the new font at boot, so check messages, keyboard, and social apps. If some emojis still display as squares, clear affected apps caches and force stop them, then reboot again. If the set is incomplete or causes instability, revert by restoring your backup or uninstalling the Magisk module. This returns original fonts. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched font names or wrong permissions are the most common causes. Double-check file names, permissions, and ownership before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.